Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about, is Bay holding you back? Okay. Here's the deal. At some point, when my wife and we were looking to go into home ownership, it was me that had the horrible debt, the bad credit, the repossession, the charged off accounts, the collections, the student loans that wasn't paid. You name it, I had it. And I felt bad about it. But at that time, I had no idea how important credit was. Let's be totally honest. A lot of people don't know unless people teach them, like parents or friends or whatever. And at the time, we were really young, 21, 22. And it wasn't until fast forward that I started learning more about credit. For those who don't know, that's how the company actually got started. I learned everything from working at the car dealership and how important credit was, talking directly to bank representatives and things of that sort. And I said, okay, I have to number one, acknowledge where I am, right? It's me that's holding the goals back for the relationship. And a lot of people, it's difficult for them to admit that, to say, okay, you know what? It's my fault. Not everything, obviously. Now, we only talking about credit here. Now, anything else, that's on you. Okay, so, but you have to just look at your situation and say, okay, what am I doing to make it better? What am I doing to reach out to people to at least get the information? Like watching these videos, that's a start, but then watching something is easy. Learning something is easy. Some people don't even do that. But number two is applying it. And then number three is consistently doing the same thing. And then I don't know if you're ready for number four, where you start teaching people what you learned and things of that sort. So making sure that your circle is winning with you, right? You don't want to be the smartest person in the room. If you are, it's time to leave the room because you want to put yourself in a position where you can grow. And especially when you're talking about relationship goals. I see so many times, and men, it's unfortunate, but a lot of men hold the relationship back as far as the goals that they're looking to accomplish, whether it's home ownership, whether it's rental property ownership, whether it's overall credit score improvement. I talk to women all the time that say, oh, my guy doesn't want to, he wants to talk to his friend about something, or he's putting it off, or he's saying we don't have to go into home ownership. And it's not just about it's not just about buying property. It's about making sure that you never pay high interest rates again. It's about making sure you have a reliable car this year. It's about making sure that, if you ever needed to get access to cash or credit, whatever, you could get approved for it, not just because you save cash or whatever. Well, no, I learned in the car business that people used to come around and say, well, I could buy that car cash. I mean, that sounds good to a girl at the club or something like that. Let's be honest, right? Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, but that was my joke. But either way, a lot of people, don't get me wrong, cash is king, but credit is God. I've talked about that before. And unless you got a lot of cash, you can't make those types of moves. You may have that $100,000 cash, and then you buy something that costs $50,000. But once you buy something that costs $50,000, now you're back down, to 50 grand, right? So you want to put yourself in a position where if you ever needed money, if you ever needed a loan, if you ever want to get the best interest rates, if you're tired of overpaying, or if you want to put yourself in a position where you can have a recurring revenue coming in from rentals or whatever the case may be, if you wanted to have that business but you want to get that funding and you don't want to put everything in your personal name, that takes credit. So you have to say to yourself, okay, am I the one that's holding the relationship back from accomplishing the goals that we're looking to accomplish? You can't just watch this video or anybody else's video and say, hey, babe, look at this video, but then not come up with a plan. My wife and I, we always come up with a plan. It may not necessarily get executed right away, but it's on the list. And we have this list of things we look to do. And it may start off with, man, it would be nice, to start to help people nationwide build their credit and, go into home ownership and rental property ownership and start a business and hire employees and build a team and all that type of stuff. And it eventually happened. And if it happened for me, it can most definitely happen for you as far as what goals you're looking to accomplish. So what are we going to do to make that happen? What are we going to do to help assist in that? What we've decided to do is come out with our couples consultation discount. All right. So for this week, all right, all the way up until Valentine's Day. So Friday's the last day. Friday will be the last day in which you can save money on the couples consultation package. All right, it's time to get serious about your couples goals. All right, so we're gonna, and not only that, but every person that gets started with the couples package with us will get a free home buying course, and that's my free home and rental property buying course. Now granted, otherwise you can always pay for it if you wanted to, but this is going to come complimentary just for saying, you know what, hey, significant other, boo, babe, whatever you guys call each other, whatever, and say, listen, let's get serious about our goals. Let's start talking about what we want to do, even if it's not with us, obviously, but make sure that you're serious about it. And we're going to help you get there. And we want to save you money along the way and make sure that, if you're looking to go into home or rental property ownership, that you got what it takes to get there. All right. So either way, I'll put all the details at the bottom below. And then, of course, my team is always available to answer any questions, comments, or concerns. But that wraps up the video. Don't want to hold you guys any longer. If you like it, like it. And as always, you want to share it. Be sure to subscribe, as there's nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.